Happy Easter Sunday morning, Nate and Mountain Foraging family. I'm going to show you this morning how to make a dandelion vinaigrette. This is a great vinaigrette to get the dandelion benefits from with salads or just about anything that you would normally use a vinaigrette on. You can use it with your cucumber, tomato, and mozzarella. I like using it with that. Also too, it's really good if you have issues with your liver, like I have fatty liver. And right here, if you have liver issues, you know well that nauseous feeling that you get right about here. It's really good. You can just take 1 to 2 droppers full of it anytime you just get that feeling and know that your liver is in need of some support. So what we're going to start with is we're going to take some dried dandelion leaf. This is a cup of dandelion leaf. I'm going to pour this in here just because it's got the little spout. You always want to measure dry measurements in dry measurement cups, because in my liquid measurement cup this comes out to be about just a little over a half. So there's a difference when you're measuring liquids and dry. So we're going to take our jar, and when we fill this in here, it's going to make it about 1/4 of a jar. You don't want to do much more than that, because again, we're doing a vinaigrette and you're likely going to be mixing it with some other flavors, so you don't want that. You still want that nice vinegar flavor when you're using a vinaigrette, but it's just enough to give you the ratio that you need for the benefits of the liver. Again, we discussed in our class that full-on strong is not the best, that when you're working with herbs you want to use a diluted ratio, which would be like 1 to 5 being 1 part of herb, 5 parts whatever liquid you're using. And with this one, it's a 1 to 4 ratio. We're doing 1/4 of a cup, 1/4 of a jar. This is a quart jar. And then we're just going to take our dandelion vinegar. Again, you want to use the apple cider vinegar. Again, you want to use apple cider vinegar with the mother. I use Bragg's original. And I keep promising you all we're going to do the apple cider vinegar project. And we will. It's on my schedule. And you just want to fill this all the way up to there's about 1 inch of a headspace. And of course, since we're using a metal lid, we're going to put our parchment paper over the top of the jar first so that the apple cider vinegar does not corrode that lid. And make sure you get it screwed on really tight. And we are going to mark this dandelion vinaigrette . And of course, date it. And you are going to let this sit for about a week. Doesn't take long. You'll be able to use this really quickly for all the rest of your spring salads this season, and your summer salads, of course. It's really quick to make. So gather up all those dandelions, start drying them so that you have plenty of dandelion leaf on hand throughout the season. And it's as simple as that. Thank you again. Happy Easter Sunday. I hope you all have a good rest of the day. Thanks.